Hi, I'm Sunny with Specialized Dance Poles, and today we're going to learn how to install our Miami Saucer base. I really love this base because it's easy to install and take down, and it adds a lot of variation to my routine. Let's get started. When you open your box, what you're going to find inside is your instruction manual, some stickers, a big Allen wrench and a small Allen wrench, your Miami Saucer base, and inside the base, you're gonna find your screws that are gonna be used to attach that to your pole. So your plate is gonna come already assembled. So you're gonna use your big hex key, and you're gonna unscrew these big bolts that are on the sides here. I don't know if you can see that. So your plate is gonna have a side 1 and a side 2, and they're marked by little stickers here. And this is the side that you're gonna put your thread through because it doesn't have a catch. So just like stick that through. Get your other piece up, put them together, and just kind of get that together as much as you can. Use your big hex again, and just screw it in a little bit so that there's a catch, so that doesn't fall off, and that gives you a little bit of freedom to get the other screw on. Another thing that's important to remember is as you're doing this, make sure that you're doing it evenly. If you tighten one side faster than the other, this is gonna start to get really uneven and it's gonna go on all wrong.